Okay, we are looking at some alkane compounds, some alkane compounds. We all know that alkane compounds are single bonded compounds, and based on the number of carbon atoms in the chain, it determines the name. So when it is a single carbon atom bonding with 4 hydrogen atoms, it is called methane. When it is 2 carbon atoms bonding with 6 hydrogen atoms, it is ethane. And so we can see from 1 that 2 hydrogen atoms, this is 1 and this is 1 another. So this and this 1 plus this 1, making 2 carbon atoms in the compounds, and it is bonding with 6 hydrogen atoms. This is 3 plus 3, making it what? 6. So this compound is called ethane. Ethane. In an alkane compound, if the carbon atoms in the compound is 2, then it is called ethane. Let's look at the next. The next one is 2,3-dimethyl pentane. 2,3-dimethyl pentane. We know that naming this kind of compounds, it depends on the longest carbon chain in the compound. The longest carbon chain in a compound. And so let's take a look at it. This is compound, this is carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Why didn't we count this? This is a branch, and this branch is not the longest one in the compound. So if we want to put up the structural formula of this compound, it will be this carbon atom bonding with 3 hydrogens, and this carbon also bonding with 2 hydrogens, this carbon also bonding with 1 hydrogen and 1 what? Methane, and 1 what? Methane compound. And then it will continue to bond with this hydrogen as well as this. So in front of this there will be 2 more carbons. So if we decide to branch on this, it will not be the longest carbon chain in the compound, and that is how come we decide to take the longest, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 2 of this here. So this one is called 2,3-dimethyl pentane. And I know you are asking about why do we have the 2,3? Why we have the 2,3? We have the 2,3 because this methane here and this methane here are bonded with this carbon and this carbon as well. So we will start from where the bonding starts first. So here will be 1, and then this one too will be another 1. So the immediate branches of the compounds, that is where we start to count from. Other than that, we would have start counting from here, but because it bonds from here up to here, we'll start taking it from here. That's why we have it to be 2,3-dimethyl pentane. And let's look at the number 3. The number 3 is what? 1,2-dibromoethane. 1,2-dibromoethane. the ending part of the compound's name tell us that it is a 2 carbon chain compound. So ethane, the ethane tell us that there are 2 carbons involved. And then 1,2-dibromo, it means that there are 2 bromine atoms bonding to the various hydrocarbons, bonding to the 2 hydrocarbons. And so one is bonding at 1, that's the first one, and the other one is bonding at the second one. That's why we have 1,2-dibromo ethane. Thank you.